What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kingg, and we back here again with another video. In this video, we do a clean lining and a crispy taper on my guy right here. Also, we have a bit of a surprise in the back of his head, a broken heart by yours truly. If you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Kingg. Subscribe, like the video, and also we have a new intro. Check it out. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kingg back at it again with another video.
Hey, what's my video, fool? Tie down.
Kingg. What's good, YouTube? It's been a long time coming, but we just gonna get started with this video. I sprayed some water mixed with oil up in his head to soften the hair, and then I just start picking it out. We just go jump right into it with the neck taper. What I do is I brush the hair down just to make sure I have a nice and clean workspace, and then I go in with my bald line. Now remember, a clean bald line is everything, but we have a design in the back of his head, and we're gonna make that bald line as straight as possible. We are doing a burst taper kind of look on this client, so the middle is kind of more up than the sides, and then I'm just going to go in with a 1 guard close with the grain of his hair just to knock the hair down so I can create a clean design, because you see he had the design before. When I go in, I outline. I don't go in with any harsh lines first. I'm outlining just to make sure that the shape is the way I want it to be. When creating a shape in someone's head, it's so easy to mess up, and we just want to take those trimmers and tap, because if you make a harsh line, you can make a harsh line that you do regret, and we don't want to do that. So we're tapping using our corners, brushing the hair down, make sure we're getting all the hair that we need to get, and keep everything consistent. Now you do see that heart shape is coming together for us. I'm going to brush the hair down one more time, and then I'm going to start creating the middle section, the broken part. The broken part is very easy, but it is very hard. At the same time, it's so easy to mess up. One thing I do have to say is use those corners to the best of your ability, and everything is going to come out nice and crispy. Now you do see our rough draft of our broken heart is finished. Now we're going to go in with our cordless wall seniors, and we're just going to create the blurriest fade that you have ever seen. Notice that we are doing it around the heart. I do not want to blend the heart because I want the heart to pop. I want somebody to turn his head and be like, oh my God, he has no heart. You get what I'm saying? You hear the pun. Our next guideline, well, our first guideline was the no guard open, and then we're going to go with the one guard open and just create our next guideline. After that, you're going to see me use our 1/2 guard, and I'm just going to clean the hair up right there around the occipital bone, just creating for a more blurry blend and getting that hair to blend in with the top. Now we're going to be down fading. I put that one guard back on, and I'm just hitting that middle guideline to get rid of it basically. And what you do to one side, don't forget the other side. I can understand it's not a lot of hair over there, but at the same time that side deserves to be blended also. And after that one guard close, I'm going to hit it with the 1/2 guard close, just flicking out because I couldn't get it with the one guard close all the way. I'm going to use that 1/2 guard just to blend it out even more. And after that, we're going to finish this blend out by hitting the bottom. Now you do see the fade is coming together, well blended, and the heart is popping the way I need it to be. Now it's time to move on to the next step, the sides. The sides, we are going to follow the same steps that we did in the back. I'm going to start with my gold Babyliss FXs, and I'm going to create my bald guideline. Next, I'm going to guard open on my wall seniors. Make sure you comb the hair down, because if you don't comb the hair down, you could mess up the blend. You know what I'm saying? So we create that guideline, and then we quickly just take out that bottom, and then we move on to the next step with the one guard open. Just creating our next guideline. You see his hair is kind of hard to blend. That's why I'm using a comb instead of a brush. I want to loosen those coils up, and I want to bring it to the point where I see which hairs I am also cutting. Now we're just going to do minor clip over comb, just blending the sides into the top instead of using the 1/2 guard or the 2. And now we're just going down and just cleaning up the basically the mess we made. Now you see how I'm putting Barbasol on him. This is just my line and prep work that I do on all my clients, or most of my clients. And then we're gonna hit them with a hot towel. Now that the hot towel is over, we put some hair fibers on his lining, and then we're going to hit the hair fibers with a level 5 holding spray, and then we also sprayed the level 5 holding spray around the lining area. Now see the way that this back taper lining comes out. This is what we're looking for with every haircut. And then I just do some quick detail work on the broken heart. And notice I basically go in a circle. I hit the back neck taper, then I hit the back of the beard all in one stroke. And then I do the same thing on the other side. I just love the way that these Gold Babyliss FXs are cutting. They're my go-tos. I just love them. Everybody go-tos. Alright, then after that, we're going to do some quick detailed work. That's what I call this, with the razor, pulling the skin. Don't forget to pull the skin so you can see what you cut, and also it ensures that you don't cut the client. Then I go in with the corded T outliners. And now you see me go in doing his lining. I start in the middle and then I move towards his left side. And then I quickly hit that vertical bar. Just nice consistent strokes and everything will be fine. You see that blend is nice and blurry, and you see his lining is becoming nice and crispy. This is what I aim for all my haircuts, nice crispy lines. Just look at the way it's cutting, it's coming out so good. We see this line is nice and crispy, but I do see a minor mistake on the right side, and see, look, I'm already fixing it. So what we did was just sponge the hair, line up the beard using the razor, and razor his top, and the cut came out like that. Once again, this is your boy Louis King. If you like the cut, like the video, this cut was fire. I do love this cut, and it will be so supportive if you do like the video and subscribe. It will make me so happy. Once again, my name is Louis King. I'm out.